Let's address the accusation first. If it's not spicy, it's not Thai. Ah yes, because apparently Thai food was invented exclusively to punish your tongue. Today we're committing a culinary crime. Thai food with zero chili. No heat, no tears, no emergency glass of milk. And somehow, it still tastes amazing. Suspicious, right? For the interrogation, where's the chili? Every time we serve chili-free Thai food, someone asks, but where's the spice? As if flavor is illegal without pain. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Chili is not the boss of Thai food. It's just the loudest employee. Before chili showed up, Thai cuisine was already busy doing its thing. Balancing sweet, sour, salty, aromatic. Quietly, competently, without screaming. But chili arrived and said, "I'll handle marketing." Somewhere along the way, the West decided, Thai food, more spicy, more authentic. Mouth on fire, cultural experience. If you're not sweating, coughing, and questioning your life choices. Did you even eat Thai food? Yes, you did. You just didn't suffer enough for Instagram. In our kitchen, we don't ask, how many chilies should we add? We ask, what's missing? And why does it feel emotionally empty? So we bring in the real workers. Galangal, sharp, herbal, judgmental. Lemongrass, clean, bright, pretending to be innocent. Kaffir lime leaves, aromatic enough to haunt the dish. Fish sauce, misunderstood, powerful, essential. Palm sugar, sweet, but not desperate. No chili needed, just adults making out decisions. Here's the secret, no one posts on TikTok, aromatics first. We bruise the lemongrass, we grate the galangal. We bloom garlic, coriander root, white pepper in oil. Slowly, not violently, not aggressively, we let the flavor confess on its own. When you don't rely on chili, you're forced to actually cook. Terrifying, I know! The silent assassin. Without spice to distract you, umami steps into the spotlight. Dried mushrooms, fermented elements, proper stock. This is the flavor that doesn't shout. It stares at you. You take another bite, not because it's spicy, but because your brain says, something is unfinished. That's umami. It ruins self-control. Is it still Thai? So, is chili-free Thai food authentic? Yes, historically, culturally, culinarily. But most importantly, it's delicious without abusing you. Food was never meant to hurt you. That was just a side effect of globalization.
If you love Thai flavors but hate the burn, you're not weak. You're just here for taste, not a pain-based personality test. Try chili-free Thai food once. If you miss the spice, we'll still be friends.
Probably.